A study by the Asian American Foundations shows Asian Americans, Native Hawaiians, and Pacific Islanders have major public safety concerns here in Seattle. 1,000 people took part in this study.
And it's hoped that these findings will encourage elected leaders to address the issues. King 5's Cornelius Hawker explains.
That study found many Asian Americans, Native Hawaiians, and Pacific Islanders don't feel safe taking public transit, going to the grocery store, going to work, even in their own neighborhoods. And I'm told the best way to fix this is to start by acknowledging the problem exists.
I think it's good that there's acknowledgement that it's happening.
That's how Mickey Fly feels about the Seattle safety study, looking at issues Asian Americans, Native Hawaiians, and Pacific Islanders face in Seattle.
The study doesn't surprise me. Probably think it's a little bit they're probably under-reporting because we don't notice it as much. We're numb to it.
Big takeaways from the study include nearly 2 in 5 Asian American Seattle residents have been the victim of anti-Asian incidents in the past 12 months. 30% surveyed said they had received verbal insults or name-calling. 24% were harassed or threatened. 20% were physically attacked. Rates of anti-Asian incidents were higher for those living in the International District versus other parts of Seattle. 47% compared to 33%.
Well, a lot of the information, the community has known for a long time, right?
Michael Itti leads longtime CID organization Chinese Information and Service Center, local partners for the Seattle Safety Study. 46% of those who experienced an anti-Asian incident said they reported it to anyone, with even less reporting to law enforcement or community-based organizations. Itti wants that to change.
Well, I would encourage people to report to either a community-based organization or to law enforcement because it's important to have that data to know what is happening in our communities.
And with that data, Itti says organizations like his can push elected leaders to address the problems.
Invest in community to help make our neighborhoods safer.
Nearly half of those surveyed said investing in infrastructure would help them feel safe. Think better lights and sidewalks. They also would like better relationships with police, along with more community engagement activities and better mental health services. In Seattle, Cornelius Hawker, King 5 News.